What's going on here, Liam?
We're getting ready to go drifting in the Falcon again.
Yep.
At Archerfield Drift Park.
Yep. Out here at Archie, gonna take the Falcon out with its new clutch and new suspension. Super low. Mad. Just unstrapping it now, we'll take it in.
Here we go.
On the track for the first time.
Alright, so this is a good one here. Fuck, it's bouncy, eh?
Yeah.
Doesn't like that fucking hard clutch kick.
No.
Come on, old girl. Come on, old girl. Come on. That AU's for sale up there.
Is it?
Yep, it's got lock and everything.
He binned it. What happened up here, Liam?
Bloody crashed.
Oh no! The ED headlight! The ED headlight, Liam. What happened there?
Oh, I just cooked it like a legend.
Oh.
And I bagged the Falcon. What's happened?
It's been banged.
And it's cooking too.
Yeah, right. Mad. No, it's good. These cars out there at the moment are going hectic.
Oh, shit.
They're insane. Look at this guy. First set of tyres, Liam, what do you reckon?
Not as big as Cheech's, but
Not as big as Cheech's belt, but still, not bad. How you feel?
Can't wipe this off. It doesn't go away.
It looks good, man.
I nearly got that corner again, but I just have the power and I need to clutch kick it, but I still don't have the balls to clutch kick it. Yeah. Dead tyre. First dead tyre.
First dead tyre.
And still get hot hanging on
Yeah.
your wall. That's all I like.
Liam's first tyre. Nice, down to the belts. What we like to see. Thank you, Joe from Wavell Heights. EA Fairmont gear. Wheel with 4 nuts.
Joey Joe?
Liam, how was that last run?
So good. So good.
So good? It was, eh? You were like probably how far from the wall?
I reckon probably 500.
Yeah, so close. It was awesome. And you linked a few corners, it was mint. Mint run. But why did we come in, Liam? We had a strange noise on the track, didn't we?
I'm not 100% sure, but I'm fairly certain that from all the axle tramp I'm getting, I've destroyed my drive shaft. Look at it. It's like twisted as
Twisted around itself. It's done like a corkscrew. Have you ever seen a tail shaft do that?
No.
Neither have I, but that's pretty cool. How was that, Liam?
So good.
It was, eh?
Yeah, I had heaps of experience, got heaps of experience. I crashed into a wall.
Yeah.
The thermos kept stopping, so it kept overheating.
But we fixed that real dodgy with like just some wire that we found in the car.
I just pulled it out of somewhere else, but it wasn't doing anything anymore.
Yeah. So the drive shaft.
Yeah, I corkscrewed the drive shaft on the axle tramp, I think. But other than that, great day. Linked some corners, spun out 1,000 times, ran the wall, and yeah, I'm just so stoked. I'm really happy with how it went.
Really good. I was like super impressed for second time drifting, like getting that close to the walls and like proper sideways and linking corners and stuff. It was a really fun day.
Yeah, and we're gonna see you on the next one when we're fixing it.